University of Science and Technology, Meghalaya. I am Priyakshi Shyam, your host for today. So today we have a special edition of USTM Podcast featuring guests from the Department of Applied Biology, USTM. Along with that, we have respected parents, dearest students and alumni with us on this episode. Joining us today, Dr.Deboja Sharma Madam, HOD of the department, and Dr. Tamanna Bhyuyan, Assistant Professor of the department, Applied Biology, USTM. Also, we have with us 3 students of the department from the ongoing batch, Javed, Samir and Dole, and one of the alumni of the department, the Tahamina Mazumder, and our respected parents. Now I would like to invite Dr. Deboja Sharma ma'am, the HOD of the department. Welcome ma'am to our podcast. Could you please introduce your department and tell us something about exciting world of biotechnology and its impact on the real world?
Thank you, Priyakshi. I am Dr. Deboja Sharma, the HOD, Department of Applied Biology. So, Department of Applied Biology, we are running 3 courses: biotechnology, microbiology, and food science and technology. So, this department of applied biology started in the year 2011 with the first course, that is BSc Biotechnology. You can say this is the founder department. Then in 2012, BSc Biotechnology. Then in 2014, the BSc Food Science and Technology came up. Then in the year 2017, BSc Microbiology, followed by BSc MSc Microbiology in the year 2018. So you can see this department has gradually it has progressed. Now we have around 250 students with 12 faculty members. And this department of Applied Biology, we have courses like various courses. We have the UG, PG courses under biotechnology, microbiology and food science and technology.
Okay, that's wonderful. Thank you ma'am. Now let's move on to Dr. Tamanna Bhyuyan ma'am. Tell us about the scope of this field.
Sure, Priyakshi. Our Department of Applied Biology offers a comprehensive education in biological sciences, and it blends the basic knowledge of biology and applied research. So as Deboja ma'am has already discussed, we are offering courses in microbiology, biotechnology, food science and technology. And it is worth mentioning that these courses are interconnected with each other. So we want our students to have an in-depth knowledge of these courses such that they crack different interviews and their chances of getting placed in different industries and research institutes increases. So coming to the scope of the subjects, as per the recent statistics that is declared by the Government of India in the year 2023, the growth rate of industries dealing with biotechnology, microbiology, food science is increasing at a growth rate of 20% annually it is increasing. So as you can see that by the end of 2025, it will be $100 billion industry. So we cannot count the scopes on our fingertips. So there is immense scope, but just I wanted to highlight a few of the major sectors. So the first being the pharmaceutical industry. So they want expertise in drug design, drug delivery, development of vaccines, development of nanomedicines. And once we enroll our students in the department, we have a nanobiotechnology lab, and we prepare them and we make them understand how to do the drug delivery studies. So we give a basic idea when they come to our department. Second sector is the healthcare sector, which is the largest sector. So the chances, if the students pursues microbiology, biotech, so they are, they can always enter the hospitals because there are microbiology labs. Then there is the molecular diagnostics labs, and the basic training of microbiology, starting from the isolation of microbes to identification, we give them their training here. So the basic concept, okay, what is going on in the health sector, they get to know. The third is the agriculture agricultural biotechnology sector, where they want expertise in development of biofertilizers, vermicompost, how to protect the plants from drought, stress, how to increase the productivity. So our faculties are here, they work on development of vermicompost. Recently they have worked. So we also get a glimpse, we also give a glimpse to the students that what is happening in the agriculture sector. The fourth is your industrial biotechnology or industrial microbiology. So there with the wine making, beer making process, food fermentation, then the purification of antibiotics, proteins, development of nutraceuticals. So if we see in this industry here also, when the students they are interested in bioprocessing sector, then we train them, because we have also a lot of projects that we are doing to develop nutraceuticals. So they also have a basic idea on what is going on in the industrial biotechnology sector. Then comes the technology sector, where there is the R&D research, where there are the device making, biosensors, biomedical devices, bioinformatics. So we have faculties here as well to study the basic interactions between proteins, so that we have bioinformatics courses for the students. So here also we contribute in the bioinformatics sector or in the technology sector. Then comes the food industry. We have a well-equipped food lab that is sponsored by Government of India, and here the students learn about the packaging of food, how to increase the shelf life of food, how to package them, how to preserve the food, sensory evaluation. So all these are core areas that the industries really need, and our faculties in the Department of Food Technology also they try to teach them, and we have a lot of instruments that the students they can use those instruments, and they can gain a lot of expertise in that. And the last one, that is, there's a buzzword nowadays, entrepreneurship. So entrepreneurship development is really important for the students nowadays. And at USTM we have an innovation hub, and there the students go and they get to know a lot about how to develop a product, how to commercialize the product in the market, how to start a startup company. So all those things also they get a very good opportunity to learn at our university, and especially at the Department of Applied Biology. So in a way we try to incorporate a critical thinking among the students such that they can really face the real world challenges. And also there are, as Deboja ma'am has already mentioned, many companies used to come and for placements, and they are placed, and hopefully the placement will also increase with the critical thinking developed by the students.
That's wonderful to hear from you, ma'am.
I think most of the students they get confused in choosing their career, and they are not aware the scope of biotechnology, the microbiology, food science and technology. So I think the students, if they need any help, we are there. You can come to the Department of Applied Biology. We are there to guide you and give you the insight that what is the future in biotechnology. There are lots of future. There are lots of career prospects in the field of biotechnology, as well as microbiology and food science and technology.
So you can always come to our department, and to the young viewers we just want to say, if you're confused, you can come to our department, you can have a discussion, and we'll be coming up with more podcasts like this, where we will discuss
on new topics and new approaches in the field of biotechnology, food science and microbiology.
That's wonderful to hear from you, ma'am. Now let's going back to Dr.Deboja ma'am.
Next, we would like to know about the research work in biotechnology department.
Of course, research is very important in this department, and that is our strong point. Research is very strong point. Apart from the student research work, we have major research projects under this department. One is the startup research run by DST, then by one of our colleague, Dr. Yugal Kishore Mohanty, then by Tamanna Bhyuyan. She is having one research project under DST SRG. Then I myself have one research project like ICMR. So as we have a very specialized subjects, and all the faculties have a specialized area. Like as Tamanna is more your
Drug library studies.
nano biotechnology, and mine is like medical microbiology type. So, so based on those research areas, so everyone is working.
Everything is
Yes.
interdisciplinary nowadays.
Yes.
So my PhD scholar goes to ma'am,
Yes.
and we collaborate, and
Okay.
so everything is interdisciplinary.
And we have this, and we are very lucky that we have 3 courses under this: biotechnology, microbiology, food science, and technology, so that we can have a collaborative research. And nowadays, only one field of research is no use. Any research should be the benefit to the society. So collaborative research is very important. So that is our like faculty research. That is the major research which is going on projects. And what I want to say that even for students, we encourage them to do a small research work during their first semester, both in UG and PG. And PG also they have dissertation courses that means in the final year, in the third semester and fourth semester. So in their dissertations, it's mandatory to have a paper publications on their based on their research projects. So in that way, PG courses. So they do the paper publications. Now this is our basic research, what I am to say. But we have our innovative research also.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So my next question is to Dr. Tamanna Bhyuyan, ma'am. Ma'am, could you please tell us more about the cultural and sports activity of your department?
Thank you, Priyakshi. So we really believe in holistic development of students. So for this we have a cultural forum at USTM where our students go to the cultural forum and they get engaged in different activities like music, drama, dance and many others. So even the students, they participate in our annual fest, NEGC, Yuva Pratibha, and they also participate in different state and national level competitions. And to our surprise, they also bring a lot of prizes. And then our Honorable Chancellor Sir, he is always eager to meet those students with prizes. We used to go to the office and Sir used to distribute chocolates. A moment of joy, a moment of happiness is created in the office there. So in a way, the students get inspired from our Honorable Chancellor Sir. And also on his birthday that we celebrate Founders Day. So there the students participate in different activities, and then also, I mean, they are very enthusiastic. So we always provide our students to showcase their talents. Not only in cultural, even in sports. Sports also, our students, they participate in their national level badminton players, football players, and you know, we get a lot of motivation from our Honorable Chancellor Sir. And
Yes, not only in the you can say in cultural or sports, we also get motivated by our chancellors or in the academics, like in research or any other like competitions, even in competitive exams. Like we have the payback policy.
Yes.
So this is like inspires the students to qualify the competitive exams like NET, GATE. So in that case, they get inspired in all the aspects:
Yes.
sports, cultural, academics, then again research, isn't it? Or in research, lots of students, they go for many product development research or any basic research. So they get inspired, and Chancellor Sir, he motivates the students in doing lots of research, interdisciplinary research or any type of research activities.
And his motivation always, you know, helps the students to come out with flying colors.
Yes.
That yes, we have something with us today.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now let's hear from our students, Samir, Javed and Dole, about the campus life. Okay, so Samir, Javed and Dole, please share your experience in the campus.
Thank you, Priyakshi ma'am. My name is Samir Hussain. I have recently completed my master's in microbiology, and I have been studying in USTM since 2019. I have joined my BSc here only, Then I have completed my BSc around 2022. Then I have again rejoined for masters in this department. Since I have been loving this department the day I have the day I have joined, and they have provided me with such immense love and also support by everyone, everyone present in the department, and they have encouraged me to do research in nanotechnology and nanofibers and nanomaterials and stuff. So this was very new to me at first time. Now I've been doing this for last 2 years, and I have able to recognize this work and how it's important to the society. And also in my part of as I am a sports person also, I've been playing national level football and also state level. So USTM has also helped me to while support helped me in supporting sports. They have made me play many inter colleges, inter universities, and fortunately I have won on those occasions also, and made USTM.
Okay, then Dole, please share your experience in the campus.
Luckily, I got the 5th place. Even though it's not first, it was very good for me. I got to learn so many things from them, and apart from that, I participated in arm wrestling national level in Sikkim. So I got silver from there. So it was very fun for me here. Apart from studies and all, there are lots of extracurricular activities. So yeah, it's very fun for me here, and I like it so much.
I think you have got some award also.
Yes, ma'am. I got some few awards. There was a program hosted by NARMEC for a startup, and also I went there for participating with a few of my batchmates and all. It was so fun and intriguing. There were so many competitions. We got to learn many more from the experts and from the business person itself. I think we met from the university itself. Even though we're not from the same class, we always have time to spend time apart from the class itself. We go to gym together, we go for playing football together, we go for playing volleyball together. Those facilities are provided by the campus itself, so it's very good for us. Apart from the campus, we usually go for hiking, we go for swimming and all. It's very fun here, and when it comes to studies also, it's very competitive, and as a friend, we used to help each other, we help push each other to the limits and all.
Thank you, Samir, Javed, and Dole. It seems you had a lot of fun in the department. Thank you. So next we have one of the alumni from the department, Tahamina Mazumder. So Tahamina, please share your journey in the campus.
Thank you for the question, and thank you for this opportunity. I didn't know, I was not aware when I started my journey in USTM. I didn't know what it could hold, how much it could hold for me for my future in my life as a student, as a person, or what any institution can do to a student for her entire life. But as I am an alumni here, as I passed out of here, now it has been around 3 to 4 years, and when I was let out of here and was able to face the real life, that's when I got to understand the importance of the institution, what an institution can make out of a person. So that was USTM for me. That were those things were how it built me. So when we say
In the department,
that a building, what measures do you think you value a building for? The foundation. So that foundation was built by USTM. My bachelor's, which I started here, which I pursued it at USTM, built my foundation. Today I might be at different places, I might be talking to different people, but that foundation always reflects on my work ethics, and everything that I have been doing and will do maybe in future, and I'm very hopeful it will help me in many more areas, not only education or my career, but also it groomed me, I could say, in my personal life, in many fields. Whatever I am, whoever I am today is because of that foundation. I would be always so grateful for it to USTM, to Deboja ma'am, my mentor. She is my pillar of my life, the strongest pillar, I could say. Every single time I still come back, I get more confidence from this base that have built so strong because of this institution, and I could never be thankful enough for this opportunity and the one they built for my entire life. Currently I am an SRF at Mazumder Medical Foundation in the Clinical Research Center, and I am in the computational biology team with Dr. Sujan Kumar Dhar. We are working mostly on malignancies and brain tumors. It is at the Narayana's Health City, Bangalore, and I am also pursuing my MTech from BITS Pilani. It's a work integrated learning program, and I am doing my MTech in artificial intelligence and machine learning. So integrating these two fields, this is something we barely can think about, this combination. But when I started doing it, I got to understand the importance of how much this is needed in this field today, because artificial intelligence is something that can be incorporated in every sector, every field, and being from biological sciences, it becomes very important for us to know the significance of artificial intelligence in this field.
So next we have with us Tahamina's mother. Thank you, ma'am, for coming to our podcast. Could you please share your thoughts regarding Applied Biology Department and about USTM?
USTM দিয়াৰ কাৰণে তাই বেছটো ইমান ষ্ট্ৰং হ'ল তো আৰু তাতে এপ্লাইড বায়'লজিত দিলোঁ, সেই তাতে আহি তাই পালে দেৱজা পেপাৰ, আৰু সেইটোৱে মোৰ চবতকৈ ডাঙৰ এটা গুণৰ নিচিনা হৈ গ'ল, গুণ এটা ক'ব পাৰি। মেমে ইমান ধুনীয়াকৈ তাইক গ্ৰুম আপ কৰিলে যে তাই মানে কনফিডেন্স লেভেল মেমেহে বঢ়াই দিলে, সেইটো মোৰ মানে বিৰাট ভাল লাগিছে। আৰু বাকী তাইতো কষ্ট কৰিছে, কিন্তু তাৰো কষ্টৰ হেৰিটো যাব আল্টিমেটলি মেমৰ তাত।
Thank you, ma'am, for coming to our podcast. Now let's going back to Dr.Deboja ma'am. Ma'am, could you please tell about
When I was teaching, it was a class I was teaching about bioplastic. So when I came out, she came to me and said, "Ma'am, can't we make a bioplastic?" I said, "Yes, because let's start it." So even it is about the student. There are students when we go teach and then we come out and it lives there. So she's another one who carries. And we started making bioplastic, and then we have developed with lots of failures. Initially it failed, but gradually we came up with a good we came up and we succeeded in making that product. Wherever Tamanna is today, it's really about because of her hard work, sincerity, and her enthusiasm to do the things. And of course she is very intelligent, and she was always intelligent student, and the guidance of her parents.
all our guests today for providing such a valuable insights into the Applied Biology Department. It's been a pleasure hosting this episode. Thank you so much. So to our listeners, if you want to know more about our programs, kindly visit our official website, and please like and subscribe our YouTube channel, USTM Excellence. Thank you for watching.